Pretty Outdoors channel. Just ran a few of the sand washes outside of Murphy, and we're heading up towards Tiddy Springs. Pretty well known area. Got a lot of different trails. And it's up in the trees. A little bit in elevation. So I'm not sure what the conditions are going to be. Heard it's dry, I've heard it's mud, I've heard it's snow. So I guess we'll find out. You can see on that mountain, got some snow going. Still a lot of snow in the Owyhees. Snow really everywhere. The last few weeks, that's all we've been doing is snow rides. Figured we'll change it up, come back to the desert. It's a good change of pace. You know, obviously the Owyhees, especially in spring, once the hillsides start greening up, it's absolutely gorgeous. Along with all the rock fixtures and mountainsides. I think that's one of the reasons I love living in the Treasure Valley so much, is because you can go from one extreme to the other. Go from 3 feet of snow in the pine trees to pretty much wide open desert. I know I've gotten quite a few questions lately, specifically on Facebook. Guys wanting to buy machines, or they're new here, or you know, they just have questions specifically about where to go, or what kind of machine I would recommend, or you know, pricing on a machine they're looking at. And I don't claim to be an expert, and I think my opinion's pretty biased, since pretty much all we drive with is RZRs and Can-Ams now. It's not to say a Honda or a Kawasaki or even a Yamaha can't compete, but my biased opinion is Polaris and Can-Am are pretty much at the top. Due to horsepower, reliability, suspension, you name it. Those are pretty much the top dogs right now, as far as I'm concerned. And a lot of people are looking at used models. Nothing wrong with buying used. You just got to do a really good look over and get a good feel for the vehicle. And that's kind of hard to... It's hard to tell someone looking for a used UTV, RZR, X3, whatever it is, if they've never driven one. But keep your questions coming. I'm glad to help. Both the comments and the feedback on social media, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, it's what makes it worth all. Makes everything worth it. And here's our first patch of snow. See how muddy it gets real quick. But those questions and those support comments and you name it, that's what makes it all worth it. I mean, does it get much better than that? I don't know if it does. Maybe it would add more trees on it, I guess. But it's a beautiful looking hillside. It's just starting to green up. Probably be brown by May. So if you're looking to ride the Owyhees, do it in the next few months. You're not going to get around the desert or around the dust. But at least this time of year, and even through April, The temps won't be as bad. Because it gets pretty dang hot out here. We're not too high in elevation right now. Even, I mean, Silver City in July, I mean, it's a scorcher. And I think that's probably around 5,000 feet. But that's how it goes for most places anywhere in Idaho. If you're not up high enough, and even if you are pretty high, just that heat will get to you. Hawaii's offer tons of different trails. My one recommendation is either A, go with a group that knows where they're going or has a GPS, or B, bring a GPS. Because there's so many side roads, so many shortcuts, and just different trails, whether that's single track, four-wheeler, UTV, you name it, it's out here. Go prepared, take a GPS, know where you're going. Or even if you don't know where you're going, your GPS will breadcrumb and you can make your way back. And for most people, they'll be out here on the weekends. And I'll fair warn you, there's a lot of traffic out here in the Owyhees on the weekends. Whether it's four-wheeler or two-stroke, four-stroke dirt bikes. It's more so towards Hemingway and Rabbit Creek, but you'll see them everywhere. And as the UTV market gets more and more popular, more people buy them, you're seeing more and more of these out here too. So be mindful, especially on the weekends. And as summer comes, people will have time off. They'll be out riding here even on the weekdays. Not really a big deal on a trail like this. You can only go so fast. But those wide open washes and main roads with blind corners, just be careful. And I will say this quarter windshield, half windshield, whatever you want to call it, God, it really sucks in the summer. I mainly run it to keep wind noise off of my mic. And it helps out in the winter because you're not getting so much wind on your face. But in the summer, it's just a dust collector. There's no reason I shouldn't be in comfort, right? I'm not going all that fast. Mud splatter right over the goggles. I'm hoping Chris and Mike's footage is good. Maybe there's not too much mud on that camera, especially with him. Mike can wipe his if he remembers. But it's been a fun day with all four of us. Kind of cool to see when we were mud free till this trail. That's gonna do it for Tiddy Springs. Didn't make it up to the cabin, kind of losing time. Still a lot of daylight left, but I want to be back at a decent hour. It's already pushing 4 o'clock right now. So we're gonna hit the main road and head home. So I want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Best ways to support me is by clicking the subscribe button, watching the full video, or donating on Patreon. For those donating on Patreon, thank you very much. So this has been Doug with McCurdy Outdoors. I'll catch you guys on the next ride, but don't forget, the adventure awaits. Take care, everybody.